Okay, hi everyone, this is me, Jonas Chino. This is my video for teaching presentation. This time I need to talk about two session start and session destroy on PHP. So let's talk about this. Talking a lot about this, maybe when we enter a video game or web application or an application, so we can use the login, right? We can use the login, and yeah, we can play the video game. We can do the things that we need to do in the application, and we close that, and yeah, it was saved, right? So it's the same for this, but it's a little bit different because we are talking about on the internet. We are trying to make that on the internet, not in a web, not in an application or video game, because they work with database. So we're in this case, Session Star works for internet. So let's talk about this the example. So well, for this example, a small example, we will need three web page. So when we are working with Star Session, Session Star, always it be it will need be on the top, okay, and the top. So then we can do the things that we want to save because we are starting a session here. So for example, I enter to a website and yeah, I wanted to save I don't know, my address, for example. So okay, so here's the session star. In this case, I'm saving my name. So if you can see, when we start the session, um, as you can see here in the when in that bar appears an array because the session star will be store the things in an array. So for to get access for the session star for the session, we need to use the variable global variable, which is session, and we need to put the key and the value. Okay, so in this case, I'm saving the name, the key name, on the value, well, just. So I'm using echo here or to go to the page two. So yeah, I want to show you. It's, okay, so in this case, yeah, this is the first page, page one. Do nothing, just we are um, saving or we are creating the name and don't appears nothing. It don't appears nothing because we don't do that now. But now if we go to the page two, again, if we are working with session star with sessions, we need to use the session. Okay, so I'm using the session start function. So in this part, I create the variable name. I'm saving the key name, session key name on the variable name, and I'm printing it. So let's show you. I want to show you. So this is the web one, page one. If we go click, appears my name. But what happens if it is in week um, in the page one? So this session will always help us to work many times. We can use the session as many um, time that we want in many pages that we want, but that's the problem if we work with many pages and we using sessions. So we need to sometimes we will need to delete the data with maybe one click or maybe I don't know something like that. So for that part exists session destroy. So in page 2 appears my name because I'm saving it, the session name, the session key, and I'm saving in a variable name. So I'm printing it with echo, but after that I'm using session destroy. So session destroy makes the whole variables that that was created in the session are destroyed, disappears. Okay, so I want to show you. Yeah, so in this case appears my name, right? Because I'm using the session for the past page. But if we go to the page 3, appears there is no session. I want to show you the page 3. So I'm using session start because I'm using the session 2. I want to use the session 2, but appears the same thing as the um, as the before page session name. I'm trying to print it, but it no prints because there is no session. There is no session name, the key name, because I deleted in the destroy session with the destroy session. So what happens if I make this? Okay, so I want to save this. Um, I will go to the first website. So I make something wrong here, running here. Let me stop this. So when if I don't delete or the session, if I don't use the destroy session, it will um, be it will be in the whole pages that we use. For example, this is my name because it's the page 1. This is the appears my name because it's the page 2. I'm calling the session. Okay, Jonas. There is no session Jonas because I'm using two. Jonas, there is no session Jonas. Okay, so if you can see, I can use many times that I want if I don't destroy the session. But I want to destroy that. And I will go to the first page. The first page, save my name. The second page, show my name. And I'm using the destroy session. Third page, there is no session because I'm using the destroy session in this part. So that's the video. Thank you for watching for this video. Remember, when you want to start, you can start any part that you want, always in the top. Then you need to use the session variable, global variable, and you need to save as an array the key and the value. Okay, key and the value, and many times that you want. When you want to destroy that, when you don't want to use that, just use destroy. Okay, and you can use a new session. You can create a new sessions. So, well, thank you. And have a good day. Bye.